Hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do, for Emily, Espresso by Sabrina, Carpenter. Just a little vamp here. We're going to do three chords, D minor, E minor, A minor. D minor is D, F, A, C. E minor is E, G, B, D. And A minor seventh is A, C, E, J. So, and the bass line I came up with is this. So it's D, 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 C, D, C, D, E, 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 A, C, and it repeats. And it goes something like this. Last time it's D minor, E minor, A minor, and all you're looking at are inversions. It actually, if it looks simpler to you, it's D minor, E minor, A minor. All we're doing is mixing the notes up and putting them closer together.